Hey y'all, today we're going to find out if spring water can actually clean intake valves on a direct injection engine. So we're going to use it through this little mister right here and spray it right through. So make sure you stick around to see what's coming up next. I got something really cool ready for you guys. Well guys, you can actually see we definitely got our work cut out for us. So can water handle this bad valve gunk? Well, stick around and find out. Okay guys, let's go ahead and place our water in our spray bottle. Now that we have our water, let's go ahead and take off this air box. Alright guys, once you've moved your air box and filter away, now we're going to place this in past the mass airflow sensor. This car doesn't have one. Next step, go ahead and start your engine. Next step, you want to raise your RPMs to about 2,000 to 2,500. Alright guys, as you can see, the mister, we want to make sure this does go in a mist type spray pattern. You can see the mist right there. So let's go ahead and begin the test. Okay guys, let's try to give you a closer view. Are we having actually any exhaust smoke come out? Well, not quite yet. Let's continue spraying. Remember guys, you want to make sure that you spray in short bursts. Periodically, every few seconds, spray again. Couple seconds, spray again. You only want to spray about 6 ounces over a very long period of time. Also, do this at your own risk. I'm not responsible for any injuries that you may incur while performing this test. Now, once you've emptied, spraying all your water, the next step you want to do is go ahead and insert your air box back to the housing. Alright guys, once you have your airbox back on, let's go ahead and use our borescope. Go inside and I want to show you guys what these guys look like before adding the water. So I'm excited to show you guys the rest of the valves. You seen the one earlier and it was definitely a challenge for this water. Well guys, here's valve number 1. And valve number 1 definitely looks very bad. So let's go ahead and move to valve number 2. Valve number 2. This valve definitely looks really bad. Yeah, water is definitely going to have a tall task ahead for it. Now moving on to valve number 3. Look at all this carbon gunk. Let's move on to valve number 4. Valve number 4, definitely a lot of carbon left, so let's go ahead and move on. Alright guys, you saw the challenge that lies ahead. So will water do it? Well, let's go ahead. I'm excited for this test. I had to give it a few more minutes to cool off. That way wouldn't burn this borescope up. All right, let's go ahead and dive right in. Well guys, here is valve number 1. Amazing. What do you think about this one? Valve number 2, guys. What do you think about this valve? Do you think that it actually got the carbon cleaned up? Did it even help? Let's move on to 3. Okay guys, here is valve number 3. What do you think? Do you think it actually helped? Let's move on to valve number 4. Well guys, here we are at valve number 4. Let me know what you guys think. Did this stuff actually work? Drop a line in the comments below, or if you've had any experience using water. I want to thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.